Velo cost investigation. As indicated by our sort of current Velo cost expectation, the worth of Velo will expanded by 250.25%, coming to $0.0219 by end of 2025. All specialized markers truly demonstrate that the essentially current opinion for the most part is bullish, while the trepidation and veracity list is perusing 52.78, and that implies commonly intense apprehension. Our Velo estimate. It's sort of purchase Velo this moment, which is genuinely critical. On walk 11, 2023. Practically generally specialized investigation pointers flagged bullish signs, while essentially different markers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish opinion among Velo cost expectations, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. See the sort of precise Velo cost expectation underneath. You will truly know the amount Velo in every way that really matters is worth in the next few long stretches of time in an unobtrusive manner. Over the very most recent 30 days, Velo has expanded by 153.40%, or so they basically thought. Because of this, we can get with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, which is very critical. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Velo expanded by 115.98% and came to approach around $0.0133, which sort of is genuinely huge. At present, all markers truly are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and veracity list shows 52.78 in every way that really matters, intense feelings of trepidation. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to generally purchase Velo. As of now, Velo is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal for the very most recent 326 days since December 31, 2023. SMA has shown a Velo purchasing signal. The cost of Velo by and large is as of now running underneath the 50-day especially basic moving normal SMA, and it especially shows a purchase signal, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $0.00451 toward the finish of December, as opposed to mainstream thinking. By December 2023-2024, Velo's transient 50-day SMA shows a $0.00546. The exceptionally relative strength record. RSI, energy oscillator, essentially is a well-known marker that signals whether a cryptographic money most certainly is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our Velo value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Velo came to $0.00336 when it dipped under $0.00173, interestingly since January 2021, in an unobtrusive manner. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Velo is en route to passing the $0.0135 mark before the current year is over. Before $0.0135, it might by and large break its characteristic of $2.07 and sort of reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Velo will especially break its past all-time, most certainly high of $2.07. And hold somewhere in the range of $0.0106 and $0.0135 soon in a by and large significant manner. At this point, on 11 walk 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.00617, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 13.42 M. And it generally makes number 483 cash in the entire crypto world. Really, in spite of prevalent thinking, Velo value forecast 2024, there is plausible that Velo can get through the $0.0157 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Practically the least Velo cost will be between $0.0132 to $0.0157. And the most probable Velo cost will be consistent at around $0.0151 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Velo's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its earth disagreeable energy utilization, extremely rich person adventure essentially entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Velo will for the most part reach $0.0157 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, or so they by and large thought. Velo value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that Velo will especially begin the year at $0.0181 and exchange around $0.0219 in a significant manner. As indicated by their expectations, this would in every way that really matters be very high contrasted with kind of last year, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Really, in spite of mainstream thinking, Velo value expectation 2026 there in a real sense is an in every practical sense great possibility that Velo 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it essentially is likewise commonly conceivable that it may not explicitly arrive at its normal most extreme $0.0282 level. Velo is anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $0.0273 or $0.0282 in 2026, and it could explicitly be the extended time of Velo, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo value expectation 2027 Velo value forecast, or Velo, will encounter huge development in 2027, as it can possibly truly accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. Velo's cost especially is supposed to generally outperform $0.0282 in 2027. Amazingly, it really has been by and large anticipated that Velo will arrive at the greatest cost of $0.0282, and the base cost is supposed to be around $0.0237 in the extremely next a long time from 2027. Velo gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists most certainly say that Velo value forecast and specialized examination, Velo explicitly is supposed to cross a value level of $0.0331 in 2028. In the meantime, Velo is supposed to arrive at a sort of least cost of $0.0292 this year, which in every practical sense is very huge. The in every way that really matters most extreme cost might reach $0.0336. Velo value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Velo value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Velo will reach $0.0449, and the cost of Velo ought to reach $0.0449 before the year is over in a very significant manner. Likewise, Velo can reach up to $0.0416 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will explicitly bring huge years for Velo development, or so they thought. Velo value expectation 2030 out of 2030. Velo value forecast generally are supposed to cross the $0.0635 normal cost level as per Velo estimate and specialized examination in a for the most part significant manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Velo's base cost generally is supposed to be $0.0601 in a very significant manner. Moreover, Velo can arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.0646. Toward the finish of 2030, Velo will have a typical cost of $0.0646. The crypto market expects a critical cost shift. Velo value